Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on Clubhouse. Clubhouse has just rolled out this new feature which allows you to send messages on the app. It's exciting. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go.
Okay, so you go into Clubhouse, obviously. And then when you're in the app, as you can see, you've got this little thing that appears here, right? If you don't have it, update the app. Just go into your app store, update the app. If you've got the latest update, you will have this. Now just tap on there and look, there you go. You can basically message anybody. All you need to do is click here, tap here, and look for anyone, you know, that you of course it's got to be someone who follows you, right? So for me, if I type the other Sophie, which is me, right? There you go, I found her. And I tap on there, and I can then tap done, and then it brings this up, and then I can just type a message exactly as I would in WhatsApp, for instance, and then I tap send. Okay, it's as easy as this. Now, you could also message several people at the same time. As you see here, the other day I had a room with Angie and Jonathan, and we had a three-way chat. And the way you would do this is you also create a new message, and you would then type in all the people you want to include, right? So let's say I want the other Sophie, and I also want Jonathan. So I would just tap here, Jonathan, and I could add Angie as well, okay? And there you go. And any message that I would then you would tap done, okay? Again, like just there. And then, as you can see, I have now a three-way chat, right? There's actually four of us, right? Myself, plus I would be sending a message to Jonathan, the other Sophie, and Angie, okay? And then, so I would then type my message here, and when I press send, it would go, of course, I'm not going to do this now, but this would go to Angie, Sophie, and Jonathan. That's it. As easy as that.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Now, I think it was really smart of Clubhouse to introduce this feature, because it means you don't have to now go to somebody's Instagram or Twitter and message them there. You can message them straight away. Why would you use this messaging app, right? Well, you know, if people are contributing to your room, for instance, you know, giving some good value, you could use the messaging to thank them for their contribution. You could also use the messaging to share a link. You know, if somebody asks for a particular training, or for a link to a video of yours, or for a link to a website or whatever during the room, you can actually say, well, you know, let me message you. You can also use it if several of you are moderating a room. You can actually use it to communicate during the room and, you know, say things like, I will tell Jonathan, shall we turn off hand raising now, right? Or how long can we still go if the room is going on a bit longer than we anticipated? Then occasionally we'll send each other a little message and say, look, can you stay on a little bit longer or not? Do we need to close the room? You know, things like that. We used to do this anyway, but we had to go outside of Clubhouse, go on Messenger, etc., etc. It was quite complicated. Whereas now we can do this straight away in the app. So I think it's really valuable. Now, do be careful not to be distracted. I would say that. You know, be careful to give, especially if you're a moderator in the room, your first attention has to be on the room, right? Has to be focused on the people who are on stage, on the people you are serving. And I think that messaging can be a little bit distracting. I find it quite hard to multitask. So my first priority is always going to be to listen to what the speakers have to say. and so I'm able to answer the questions properly. But if there's several of us moderators in the room and I need to message somebody, then I can do that, right? So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about Clubhouse, you can check my tutorials playlist. I have a lot of tutorials about Clubhouse, telling you how to do this or that on Clubhouse. If you don't find the answer in my tutorials playlist, please don't hesitate to leave me a question in the comment below this video. I will research it and get back to you with the answer, either in a comment or with a special video for you. Again, if you enjoy my content, you're very welcome to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of it on your homepage on YouTube and you want to be notified every time I publish a video. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a little like. That helps support the channel and it makes me really happy. Thank you so much for watching. That makes me really happy too. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.